You are under 15, no job, no problem. Want to make real money online without waiting to grow up? Stick around because I'm about to show you 6 easy ways to start earning right now. No experience, no big investments, just your skills and creativity. Let's get into it. So, how to earn money online for students under 15? How to earn money online for students under 15? If you're under 15 and looking to make money online, there are plenty of opportunities that don't require a bank account or adult supervision. Here are some ideas. The first is content creation and social media. So basically, I talk about 3 things you can do under content creation and social media. And the first is you can create a YouTube channel around gaming, do it yourself, reviews, or educational content. The second you can do is you can do TikTok and Instagram reels and grow an audience through these reels and then monetize through brand deals. The third thing you can do under content creation and social media is blogging. Write about your hobbies and use ads to affiliate links to earn. Now, the second idea is freelancing and online services. Under that one, I talk about 4 things you can do. The first is graphic design. Use Canva. So under graphic design, use Canva or other free tools to create designs for people. Secondly, you can do writing and proofreading. Offer simple writing tasks or editing on platforms like Fiverr with parental help, of course. And then still under freelancing and online services, we have voiceovers. If you have a good voice, record scripts for YouTube videos or podcasts and get paid for it. And then last but not the least, under freelancing and online services, we have video editing. Learn basic editing skills and offer services to YouTubers and get paid for doing that. Now, the third idea is what I call online marketplaces and selling. Online marketplaces and selling. So under that one, you have number 1, print on demand, POD. And under POD, you are selling custom t-shirts, mugs, or stickers on sites like Redbubble or Teespring. And secondly, you can have digital art and stickers. Create and sell them on Etsy. So digital art and stickers, create and sell them on Etsy. And then still under online marketplaces and selling, we have reselling items. Buy low-cost items and resell them on platforms like eBay, if allowed by your parents. So the fourth business idea for students under 15 is gaming and apps. So the first one under the fourth one is play to earn games. Some games offer real money or crypto rewards, so you can play those kind of games and earn money. And then under the same gaming and apps, you can do testing apps and websites. So sites like user testing pay for giving feedback on apps, and you can use them to earn money. Okay, now the fifth business idea for students under 15 is online surveys and micro tasks. Online surveys and micro tasks. So under that, we have 2 subdivisions. So surveys and reward apps. Websites like Swagbox or Mist Play give gaming rewards, so you can use them. And then captcha solving and data entry. They are simple but low paying tasks, and you can also make money from them. Captcha solving and data entry, that's the second one under online surveys and micro tasks. And now the last but not the least, which is the 6th business idea for students under 15, is teaching and tutoring. So you have under that, you have 2 subdivisions, peer tutoring. So teach younger kids or classmates for a small fee. You can teach younger kids or classmates for a small fee. Then secondly, so second subdivision, you have language translation. If you know multiple languages, offer translations and get paid for it. I hope these business ideas help you start earning money fast. But I'm curious, which of these ideas excites you the most? Let me know in the comments. And if you've got questions, do let me know in the comments as well. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also share this video with a friend.